bonus reading for February the 12th to February the 13th, fire signs. We have the Nine of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Hangman. Dumating dun sa part na nanawa, no, si person, nabuwisit, siguro iniwan itong relationship, pero parang meron ditong balik no? Parang sabi niya, that is not right. What is right is to fix the connection. What is right is to reconnect or connect with you and have a reconciliation. I think that this is also somewhat you wanted kasi with the Ten of Pentacles, hindi rin para daw din, tama, magtago, no, ng pera. So, parang chinachane, no, nito yung kanyang pera and not sharing with you. So, moving forward, I'm seeing here a consistent flow of energy na parang isi-share din sa'yo. Whether this is time, energy, effort, or literally money para doon sa mag-asawa. So, there are changes, positive changes. And this is your quick bonus reading, fire signs for February the 12th to February the 13th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.